Delighted is sunsetting soon. Why not take this opportunity to upgrade your customer feedback program? Simplesat is here to make your transition quick and seamless, with full migration support to get you up and running in no time. We've got two easy options. Export from Delighted and we'll import it to Simplesat, or give us access and we'll handle everything. Here's how to export your data from Delighted. Log in to your Delighted account. Go to Export Data. Choose Survey Responses. Set the date range to all time. Click Export to CSV. Once your export from Delighted is ready, create a Simplesat survey that would contain the historical data. Our product experts can also help set this up for you. Importing historical feedback into Simplesat is quick and easy, allowing you to analyze trends and track customer sentiment over time. Here's how you can import your feedback into Simplesat. Open the Importer tool from the Feedback section in Simplesat. Choose your import source. Select pre-configured platforms or use a custom CSV for manual import. Ensure your CSV file is correctly formatted with necessary headers and data. Select the survey where imported feedback will be associated. Map each field from your CSV to corresponding fields in Simplesat. Review a summary of imported rows and field mappings before finalizing. Add tags, enable topic analysis, and manage integrations for processed feedback. Click Import to start the process. You'll receive an email summary once completed. You'll be ready to launch your first survey and start collecting feedback the same week. Make the move today. Simplesat is your best alternative to Delighted, with migration made easy.